Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to verify your identity on your id.me account using the latest 2025 process. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to visit id.me website. Here, click on the sign in option, provide your login credentials, and you need to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you will have to click on the sign up option and create a free account. Now, once you're successfully logged in order to verify your identity, you need to go to your My Account tab that will be in the top right hand corner of the screen and then click on the option of Verify Identity. You need to choose the service that you are verifying for, like the IRS, unemployment, or any healthcare access. Afterwards, you need to upload certain documents. This includes driver's license, passport, state issued ID card. Upload clear photos of the front and the back of the documents. Next, most of the users will be asked to take a real-time selfie using their phone or the webcam. So you need to follow the instructions carefully. If auto verification fails, you may be asked to join a video call with a trusted referee. Once the verification is successful, you will get a confirmation on screen by email. So you can now access any services that is connected to your id.me account. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.